when the road looks rough ahead and you're miles and miles from your nice warm bed. You just remember what your old past said. Boy, you got a friend in me. Yeah, you got a friend in me.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to another restocking video. I'm very excited to start restocking again after my short break, and I hope you enjoyed that intro in honor of Pixar Pier. This week there will be two specials going on. The first one is if you are a first-time orderer, you will get a free 4-ounce as always, and also for every order you will receive a free 8-ounce slime smoothie. The first slime I have restocked is Magic Kingdom Cloud, and this will normally be a cloud slime. However, I do need to order more instant snow, so this week it is just a cloud cream, but it will be a cloud slime in the future just for your information. But this is a very pretty pastel colored swirled cloud slime that is topped with iridescent glitter, and it smells amazing like cotton candy and fun sweets. And I'm thinking of adding a bubblegum scent in there as well just to give it some variety, but let me know what you think. The next one on the screen is Stitch's Snow Cone, and this is very similar to Rainbow Ice Snow Cone if you remember when I sold that, except it has more microfoam beads and I didn't add glitter just to make it a bit more authentic. It is unscented to preserve clarity and it is super crunchy and clear. The next slime I will be restocking is the new and improved Dole Whip, and before I made it previously with cornstarch and it was unscented, but this one is much better. It is made with Daiso clay as well as some instant snow, and it is scented pineapple, and in the future it will come with a pineapple charm. However, the ones I wanted to use were actually sold out, so as soon as those are back in stock, I will purchase them and be sure to put them in the slimes. But this one is so soft, so spreadable, and it makes very nice bubbles. The next slime that will be restocked in my shop is Magic Mouse, and this is a red and black tie-dye swirled cloud cream, and it will be topped with glitter and come with 2 yellow button charms. This one is my personal copy, hence why it's not filled all the way to the top, and the container is a little bit messy around the edges, but it will be filled to the top when you get it, as always, and the colors won't be as swirled together already. They'll be a lot more prominent. But anyway, this is a very soft cloud cream, and it is very light and airy. I tried to make it as fluffy as possible, and I hope that you will enjoy it. I also forgot to mention that this will be scented strawberry. And of course, this next one is Ariel's Mermaid Scales. I have been hinting about this one on my Instagram for the longest time because I love it so much. It is obviously called Ariel's Mermaid Scales because of this beautiful emerald pigment that is used in this clear slime. It also comes with some fishbowl beads and it is unscented to preserve the clarity. There will be a very limited amount of these because of the pigment, so grab one while you can. This next slime is, of course, my bestseller Mint Julep Refresher. I did change the name because I reinvented this slime a little bit, and as you can see, it comes with an adorable cherry charm. It is a thick, clicky, glossy slime that everyone loves. It is the best texture in my opinion, and it smells amazing like mint, and it smells so refreshing and nice. And like I said, it will come with that cute charm. The next slime I will be restocking is Cinderella's Glass Slipper, and this beautiful clear slime includes a variety of glitters, including micro silver glitter, blue glitter, and iridescent glitter chunks. And I think this one is gorgeous. This was my own personal copy, so I did add some borax just because it had melted down a little bit. However, when you get yours, it will be the perfect texture. So that is everything that I will be restocking this week in the shop. If you'd like to order, you can direct message me on Instagram at DisNerdSlime. And remember that there will be 2 specials going on this week. If you are a first-time customer, you will receive a free 4-ounce slime of your choice. And if you buy any order of slime, then you will receive a free 8-ounce slime smoothie. Also, just a reminder that this will take place Saturday, June 23rd at noon PST. So be sure to get there early to grab what you want before it sells out. Thanks for watching.